Alright guys, Embarkation here on Carnival Celebration. But let's go see what's happening in cabin 9480.
Hey guys, welcome into our cabin. We got interior this time, but let's show off the bathroom first. Go in, and I can't fit both of us in here, but here is our bathroom. All right, here is the bathroom. Of course, you got, you know what that is. Tissue paper, toilet paper in the right position compared to what we had on Mardi Gras, so you're not bending yourself just to grab it. Sink, 2 racks. Got the hair dryer, which you could actually move out of the bathroom. So like if you wanted to dry your hair, you could go out there to dry your hair. So you're not locked into one spot. Then we've got this, the lovely glass shower. So much better than your curtain. So you pull it out. There we go. And first you got your normal shampoo and shower gel, soap rack. This is a must for the ladies to shave our legs. And right on the other side, a little string that goes across, goes over there to hang your wet clothing. And underneath there, there's a little bit of storage here and 2 drawers, just in case you got little accessories or just beauty products, whatnot, to get out of the way. Waste bin, more storage, shaving mirror, of course, you got the one side, and the other side's, yeah, just your normal beauty mirror. Now let's head into the room. Let's work on some of the functions of the room. Of course, you got your thermostat. We have it on cool right now. You know, it's really not that cool in here because we're still in Miami, but once we get going, it'll get a lot better in here. And there's actually a little quick cool button if you just want that little gust of coolness once in a while. Have to have the card in the stateroom to make the lights work. And we got our light switches. So if you want to take a look, see on like that. I love the ring light on top. It's so much softer and so much comfier in this room, in my opinion. And this is the light switch to the bathroom. Then we got the closet space. We got a little bit limited space being in the interior, but we could make it work. Here we got 2 hanging closets, and this you could actually do this if you wanted, just shelving right there if you wanted to, or just leave it up, still make it a long hanging closet. Bottom shelf does the same exact thing. Then of course you got your safe, put 3-digit, 6-digit code in there, keep your valuables safe. 2 metal drawers that come out, but the best part, soft close. So you're not making a racket in the room in the middle of the night if you're coming in late. That, same thing. And we mainly use this for shoes, like to keep the shoes away so the room steward could clean the room. And same thing, soft close. All right, let's head on to the next closet here. It's the same thing. It's a hanging closet, and the shelving does the same thing. You could lift them up to make them longer if you wanted to. And you got your full-length mirror to make yourself all look good for formal night. All right, then we got the reading lights. You just lift them up. You can see the light turns on and it closes. And there's actually a USB by your bedside, so you can keep your devices charged while you're sleeping. Got a little nightstand here. And there's also lights by the bed. So this light is actually the back light behind the headboard. Nice little like night light. And these 2 are the same too. They're like at the front of the room. Same thing, nightstand, USB, and light for reading. Full carved mirror. And same thing, there's light here. It's like a ring light, so it's not blaring. So it's nice to do your makeup. And these are important. Charging. So there's USBs here, 2 USBs, 3 American ports, and another 2 USB ports. So there's a lot of charging capabilities in this room. Of course, got your shelving here. Put your waters or suntan lotions and whatnot on there. There's actually plenty of space on this little desk area. And got your 3 drawers here. Laundry bag if you want to do laundry. And same thing, soft clothes as well. And 2 other deeper drawers. All right. And I'm going to move this out of the way to bring up the little ottoman slash storage slash table. So you're sitting at the desk, you could sit on this if you wanted to. But lift it up. There's storage for linens and whatnot. But flip it over and you got yourself a little tray. If you have room service come in, you got a little separate tray. And you got your little cooler here. And I never opened them the right way. There we go. Keep your waters cool or whatever beverage or choice you decide. You keep it cool in here. Got a little shelving here also.
Speaking of, we should put the beers in the fridge.
Oh, yeah, we should, shouldn't we? Got a couple Caribbean wheats. We'll put them in the side. Yeah, keep these babies cool, you know.
And we're not sure where they came from.
It was a mystery person.
Yeah. Yeah, somebody was nice enough to gift them to us, but we got to figure out who it was. So if you're watching, thanks.
Thanks.
We'll figure it out.
And of course, you got a beautiful TV here and towels. And I think that's really pretty much it of the interior room. Not much to see, but it's nice and cozy and it'll function. And this is our home for the next 7 days. Alright guys, thanks for watching our room tour for our home for the next 7 days. If you like this video, please hit the like, comment if you've ever been in 9480, and if you ever had an interior room and would you stay in it. Alright guys, see you in the next video.